Today on Explore TV, we are diving into the most mysterious place on our planet. What if I told you there's a place on Earth so deep that Mount Everest could fit inside and still be covered by over 2 kilometers of water? What kind of creatures survive where sunlight has never existed? What secrets are hidden beneath nearly 11,000 meters of crushing ocean pressure? Moreover, why have fewer people visited the deepest point in our oceans that have walked on the moon? Yes, that's the Mariana Trench. Stay with us until the end because the final discovery completely changed what scientists thought they knew about the life on Earth. The Mariana Trench is the deepest known location in Earth's oceans, located in the western Pacific Ocean east of the Mariana Islands. This underwater canyon stretches for approximately 2,550 kilometers and reached an astonishing maximum depth of about 10,935 meters at the Challenger's deep. To put that into perspective, yes, if you drop Mount Everest into the trench, its summit would remain more than 2 kilometers below the ocean's surface. That is almost impossible to imagine. How is that formed? So, how does something as enormous even exist? The answer lies beneath the Earth's surface. One of the most powerful geological processes on our planet created the Mariana Trench. The Pacific Plate slowly slides beneath the smaller Mariana Plate. This process, known as subduction, has been occurring for millions of years. The result? A gigantic scar across the ocean floor that continues to change even today. So, what is the pressure like? Here's the question for you guys. Could actually the human survive there? So the answer is absolutely not. I'm gonna explain why. At the bottom of the trench, water pressure exceeds 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. Imagine balancing about 50 jumbo jets on top of your body. That's the force experienced by anything at the Challenger Deep. Without specifically designed vehicles, a human would be instantly crushed. So, who has reached the bottom of Mariana Trench? Surprisingly, very few people have ever reached the deepest point on Earth. In 1960, Jack Speaker and Don Walsh became the first explorer to descend to Challenger Deep aboard the bathyscaphe Trieste. More than 50 years later, filmmaker James Cameron completed a solo expedition to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. Since then, only a small number of explorers and scientific teams have made similar journeys to the deep of the ocean. Just think about, guys, thousands of astronauts have traveled into the space, yet only a handful of people have visited Earth's deepest ocean. Wow, that's really surprising. So, what lives actually in complete darkness? You might think nothing could survive there. However, Nature always finds a way. Scientists have discovered giant amphipods, deep sea cucumbers, mysterious snail fish, Cynophorus, some of the largest single-celled organisms on Earth. Many creatures produce their own light through bioluminescence. Others survive without sunlight by feeding on organic material, drifting down from above. Life exists even where darkness has lasted for millions of years. So what is the shocking discovery? It is something both fascinating and disturbing at the same time. Even at the deepest place on Earth, scientists have discovered plastic pollution. Microplastics have been found inside deep sea animals and sediments thousands of meters below the surface. This means humans' activity has reached places that were only thought to be completely untouched. It's a powerful reminder that our actions affect every corner of the planet, even in the deep, deep ocean, like Mariana Trench. So actually this happened. Some strange sounds from the deep of ocean. Over the years, researchers have recorded mysterious underwater sounds. Some were initially believed to be unknown creatures. Later, many were identified as natural events such as earthquakes, ice movement, volcanic activity, or calls from marine mammals. Even so, the Mariana Trench remains one of the least explored places on Earth. So, who knows what discoveries still await there? Why should we explore it? Exploring the Mariana Trench is not just about curiosity. Scientists believe this extreme environment could help us understand how life adapts to impossible conditions, discover many medicines, improve technology for deep sea exploration, learn more about earthquakes and tsunamis. Some researchers even believe studying deep sea organisms could help us understand how life might exist on other planets. The Mariana Trench reminds us that also we have mapped the moon. Large parts of our own oceans remain unexplored. Perhaps the greatest mysteries are not above us, they are beneath us. So here's the one final question, guys, for you. Just imagine if you had the chance to descend nearly 11 kilometers into complete darkness, what would you do it? Tell us your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into one of the Earth's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification. You are watching my channel Explore TV, where every video takes you deeper into the world's greatest mysteries. See you in next adventure. Thank you for watching me. Thank you. Goodbye.